Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A tablet. This is this tablet I just got it from Amazon, and I think it's like $69. So it's pretty on the low side. It's cheap, so I just want to use it for a project, and I'm gonna see if it's compatible with what I need it for. So I'll be unboxing it and showing you. It comes with this charger head and this charger, and also it comes with the, of course, the iPad, and this is a pin for you to be able to open it, to open the, I think it's not like the drive, to open up the SD card, to bring out the SD card for additional memory. And it has the speakers, and you have the up and on button and the volume button, and also it has this jack where you can listen to put in the jack to listen to music. And it also has with the front camera and the back camera. So sit down, relax, and I will um turn it on and off.